What's up guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Getresponse, how I use this tool for affiliate marketing and my own results by utilizing this software. So Getresponse is an email marketing software. You can store here your contacts, you can create newsletters, you can send emails, you can create automation workflows, and also you can promote this software as well because it has an affiliate program. Now let me show you quickly. I'm going to scroll down because one of the coolest things about this software is that they are always adding new features. For example, this one, they added this new feature, the content monetization knowledge. So this is an AI powered course creator, premium newsletter, and that is something about that I like about this tool, is that they are adding these new features because I have been using this tool for years, guys, for years. Now I'm going to scroll down. These are the plans. So these two are for plans for marketers, and they have this one for creators. So, and anyone can start by utilizing this tool because they have a 30-day free trial. And if you like the features, you can start with the monthly plan, the $19 per month, which is a really low price. Now let me scroll down, guys, because I'm going to show you right now how you can become an affiliate for the software. So, and if you go here, you will find this link where it says affiliate programs, and basically they have two affiliate programs. They have the recurring program, in which you can promote Getresponse to, for example, so you can have recurring commissions. So the default is 33%, and check this out, if you can make 25 sales in 6 months, you can boost your commissions to 40%, and if you can make 50 plus sales, you can boost it to 50%. And they have the bounty program. All the people who promote this bounty program, they can make $150 per sale. So check this out, $100 for email marketing products and $150 for content monetization products. Now I'm going to show you my Getresponse account so you can see this is my dashboard. In here I can, for example, take quick actions, create a newsletter, a form, a landing page. I can add manually contacts, create autoresponder. Also, I can create websites. So this is a complete software for all the people who want to start an affiliate business, guys. Or if you want to, like, for example, create an online business, because basically collecting leads is one of the most powerful things that we can do if we're going to start an online business. So check this out. This month I have 40 new contacts added to my list, and if I scroll down, I have here, for example, these are the new contacts for this year, and this is my stats for the affiliate program. I have right now 8 people that sign up through my affiliate link, which is the recurring payment. So right now they are like testing it, and I have one person paying the recurring payment. So let me go to my affiliate account so you can see how this looks like, in case you want to promote this program as well. Because we as affiliate marketers, we can promote the tools that we are using. So check this out. Here I have, for example, these are my stats for the bounty program and my stats for the recurring program. So 6 people clicked my bounty affiliate link, and then I have 196 people clicked my link for the recurring program. and right now I have $25.08 in pending earnings. And these are my affiliate links. And what I can do here is that I can copy this link and, like, for example, create a newsletter and promote this software as well. Now, I promote this software, guys, in the back end of my sales funnel. So what does that mean? Let me show you. I'm going to go to tools, and you can see I have here, so I can do many things with this software. So website builder, landing pages, forms and pop-ups. I can connect as well to pay ads. I can do AI campaigns, automation, conversion funnels, and all that good stuff. And this is new, as you can see here, where it says share knowledge, webinars, premium newsletter, courses, and creator profiles. Now let me go to the automation part, because here I have like my automation workflow. So what does that mean? So basically, when someone put their information in my opt-in page of my sales funnel, so let me show you quickly what is an opt-in page, because I use ClickFunnels and Getresponse combined. So I have integrated ClickFunnels with Getresponse. So when someone go to any of these funnel, for example, let me go here. Now let me show you this one, the Spanish, because I'm building my Spanish YouTube channel and my Spanish audience for affiliate marketing. So let me go here where it says Spanish, and I'm going to show you what is an opt-in page, because that is how I promote Getresponse. I promote Getresponse in the backend. But how do I do that? By collecting emails, guys. So check this out. So this funnel has two steps. Step number 1, an opt-in page, and step number 2, a thank you page. Okay, step number 1 and step number 2. Now I'm going to open this page so you can see it. So, and this is in Spanish. So when people go to this page, they will read this title. I have here like this information and these boxes where they can write their email and their name. So when they write their email and their name and click this button, that information, so ClickFunnels is going to send that information to my Getresponse account, and that contact is going to go to my Spanish list. So for example here, and as you can see, so this is my Spanish list, and I have, let me go here, so in progress I have 11 people go through this automation workflow. Now I'm going to show you, for example, this one, because I have 171 people enrolled on this automation workflow. So how do I promote Getresponse? So when people write their information in that opt-in page, ClickFunnels send that information to Getresponse, and Getresponse is going to start sending all these emails that I have wrote previously. So I created this automation workflow. When someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, by any method, Getresponse is going to send these two emails, the free welcome message and my own story. Then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the email number 2. It's going to wait for another day to send the email number 3. And inside of the first emails, I have free, so those are my free trainings. But later in this automation workflow, people are going to start receiving emails in which I promote the tools that I'm using in affiliate marketing. For example, here I promote ClickFunnels. Then 3 proven ways to get traffic to your affiliate links. So this is like a value email, so it doesn't have any links. And then I promote TubeBuddy, which is a software. Then I promote the 72-hour challenge, which is a low ticket product, and so on and so forth. People are going to start receiving all these emails, and inside of those emails they will find my affiliate link for Getresponse. And not only Getresponse, they will find my affiliate link, for example, for Secret of Success, for TubeBuddy, for all the tools that I have been using to grow affiliate marketing. And so basically that is how I promote Getresponse, guys. So I don't promote Getresponse like my main core product. I promote Getresponse as a supporting offer. So I have a main core offer, which is a high ticket product, and then I promote supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3, and one of those supporting offers is Getresponse. And that is how I made these commissions, guys. That is how I made these $25 that is in pending earnings. So as you can see, guys, so I want to be clear with this because it takes time, guys, to start getting results. Because, so check this out, for someone to buy from me this recording program, I needed 196 clicks, guys. That is the reason why traffic is one of the most important things, because if I can increase my traffic to my affiliate link, it's a matter of time to start getting commissions. Now, I promote products that I bought for myself and I'm utilizing because I believe in that strategy. So as you can see, I'm utilizing Getresponse to promote many products, and I promote Getresponse as a supporting offer. Now, the way that I use to drive traffic, guys, is basically YouTube. I create content on my YouTube channel, I optimize that content, I optimize the videos, and that is how I'm collecting leads. Like for example, right now, like almost every single day. So check this out. So I have 40 new contacts in this month. Well, not every single day, but I'm collecting leads, and this is only organic traffic. Now, if we can add, for example, like paid ads, we can have results faster. But that is a skill that I think that is important to learn, guys. How to pay traffic. Now let me go to YouTube. Because when I started my YouTube channel, guys, and right now I'm going to give you really good information, so you don't waste time, because I wasted like a lot of time to grow my YouTube channel. So check this out. For example, if I go here and write Getresponse, you can see that I have all this data, and this data it's given by keywords everywhere. So keywords everywhere tells me how what are the searches per month. So check this out. Getresponse review. So people are searching this keyword 720 searches per month. Getresponse tutorial 90 searches per month. But if we do a keyword search only for this keyword, Getresponse, you're going to see that people are searching this keyword 135 searches per month. Now, if you can rank for this keyword on YouTube, you can drive more traffic to that affiliate link, guys. That is why, check this out, that is why the title of this video is Getresponse Affiliate Program Review. Because what I did is that I went to TubeBuddy, which is the software that I utilize to do keyword research. And check this out. If I, for example, create this video and only put in the title Getresponse, you're going to see that it's poor for my YouTube channel. So because here I'm in the weighted score. So that is telling me that I'm not going to have like too much traction to grow my YouTube channel with this keyword. But if I add Getresponse affiliate program review, you're going to see that the overall score is going to increase to 55, and that is super good, because if I use this keyword for my title and if I optimize this video really well, I'm going to have more traction, that YouTube is going to share this video with more people. And this is a good strategy if you want to promote, for example, Getresponse, like having a YouTube channel and do your own, for example, your own review about the software. Even if you don't have results, you can start, like, for example, talking about the affiliate programs. You can start talking about as well. So for example, you can create a lot of content by utilizing how to create an email marketing campaign, how to do these push notifications, how to create a chat for your landing page, how to create a website with Getresponse, how to create a landing page, how to do a form, how to do a pop-up, how to create an artificial intelligence campaign, how to integrate Getresponse with ClickFunnels, how to use these e-commerce tools, and all that content that we can create on YouTube. Our channel is going to like increase the authority, and YouTube is going to share our videos with more people, and that is how we can drive more visits to our affiliate links. Now, so I told you that Getresponse has a 13-day free trial if you want to check it out. Or you can go to getresponse.com. You can go to Google and write Getresponse and create a Getresponse. I have been using this software for years, guys, and it's super simple to use it, guys. If you're going to use it for affiliate marketing, or if you're going to use it for your online business. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope that you like this video, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.